Today we're going to be installing our chrome mesh grill that we are making out of aluminum mesh. And you will see how you can make one on any car you want. It's simple, it's easy, and this hack doesn't cost much at all. So stay tuned. Tep Auto, let's go.
Got a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
What is up, people? Welcome back to the channel. We got another good one for you today. We're gonna be installing this grill we just got in the mail. Just got this.
We got a roll of aluminum mesh.
It should be it says 58 by 25. So we got more than enough. Yeah, that's more than enough.
So let's go ahead and start opening this baby up. It's aluminum, so it's very flexible.
I think what I'm gonna do is start in one corner.
Now let me grab my heavy duty cutters. I'm just gonna start out wide just to get a rough measurement where I'm gonna be starting at.
I think the way we're gonna do this is I'm gonna do one of these.
We'll make a cut on each side of the emblem to get a measurement of that.
Yeah, that should be good. General idea of where the center of it is, so seriously?
That's so official. All right. To secure it, I have this wire that I picked up at Dollar Tree. So what I'll be doing with this is going through the grate and looping it through the grill and tying it in various places like this. The wire is discreet, it's virtually invisible. And once you get it through, you tie it to secure it, or twist it rather. And once you're good, you cut it.
Welcome to another crime scene. Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
We're pretty set on how we're going to have it when we trim away the excess.
Get a little bit of gasoline. Welcome to another crime scene.
And here we go.
Welcome to another crime scene.
Not too bad if I do say so myself. Considering it's a roll of aluminum mesh, 15 bucks online, I think it turned out pretty good. But always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tep Auto, we out. So this stuff online is pretty much, if you look for aluminum mesh, an aluminum mesh roll, you'll find it in the search results on eBay. This one was labeled by the seller as a silver car mesh grill cover protector bumper fender vent kit universal. Give that. Found one that was a little cheaper, but I'm sure that the seller is trustworthy. And this one, you see that there's the black options, and here's one for $14.62. Seller rating isn't as strong, but yeah, this is ideal what you're going to be getting. You can pay anywhere from $15 to $20 depending on the seller, but so you get like 18 by, I want to say like 48. I believe that's what centimeters come up to roughly. They show like examples of how to do it.
Welcome to another
So he measures it and he's cutting in the middle right there. Yeah, you guys give it a go. There's an example of cutting it to the real. Like I said, I use the aluminum wire that I got from Dollar Tree. So yeah, give it a go. Try it out. Leave a comment telling me if you tried it out, how yours turned out. And in the meantime, stay tuned for what we're going to be coming with next.